True with Guns America, we are at the 2024 NRA show, and I'm at the Beretta booth. I have in my hands a brand new Tikka rifle. This is a Tikka T3X, but it's called the Ranahan. And it's available in this flat dark earth color. This is a 223. So it's also available in 350 Legend, but 223 obviously is a great round to practice with, to go varmint hunting with. And there's a very unique feature on this, and that is we have sights. We have iron sights on this. Obviously you can still mount a scope, but we have iron sights. It's got this ramp up, which has fiber optics in it, which kind of draws your eye into two green fiber optics and a big red fiber optic here with a front sight hood over it. So obviously the Tikka is famous for the action and the throw. It's really fast, really easy to use. Great triggers, very accurate guns. It has a detachable mag, so all the features you're used to. $13.99 for this in 223 or 350 Legend. Also, just above it is this green version, which is a 308. So same set of features. We have a longer magazine here, 308. Also have the iron sights. They're kind of calling this a ranch rifle, but it's the Drover is what this is. So the Drover Tikka ranch rifle, iron sights, can still mount a scope, a red dot, detachable mag. Pretty cool stuff, $13.99. Go check out Tikka's website for more information. We'll certainly be getting some of these to review at Guns America.